Drivers, watch your cars.
How are you supposed to stick me and get everybody up?
Positions first, Darren racing, second, and the end, third,
Sorry.
4x4. Leading gaps, first to second, 0.0192 seconds, second to third, 1.814 seconds. Fastest time day, fastest time day, fastest time day, fastest time day. Drivers, time remaining, 6 minutes. Personal best, personal best, personal best, personal best. Fastest time day, fastest time day, fastest time day, fastest time day, personal best, personal best, current position, first, and the end, 16 laps, 1 second, second, Darren racing, 16 laps, 15 seconds, third, E, 16 laps, 12 seconds, personal best, personal best, personal best, fastest time day, fastest time day, fastest time day, personal best, personal best. Drivers, time remaining, 5 minutes, personal best, personal best, personal best, fastest time day, fastest time day. Personal best, personal best. Personal best. Current positions, first and the end, 17 laps, 17 seconds, second, Darren racing, 16 laps, 3 seconds, third, E, 16 laps, 25 seconds, personal best, fastest time today, fastest time day. Leading that, first to second, 2.055 seconds, second to third, 7.030 seconds, personal best, personal best, personal best, personal best. Drivers, time remaining, 4 minutes, fastest time day, fastest time day, fastest time day, personal best. Personal best, fastest time day, personal best, current position, first and the end, 17 laps, 15 seconds, second, Darren racing, 16 laps, 1 second, third, Playback 4x4, 16 laps, 21 seconds, fastest time day, fastest time day, fastest time day, personal best, fastest time day, personal best, personal best, fastest time day, drivers, time remaining, 3 minutes, fastest time day, fastest time day, fastest time day, personal best, fastest time day, personal best, fastest time day. Current position, first and the end, 17 laps, 16 seconds, second, Darren racing, 16 laps, 4 seconds, third, Playback 4x4, 16 laps, 16 seconds, fastest time day, personal best, fastest time day, leading gaps, first to second, 8.609 seconds. Second to third. 6.767 seconds. Personal best. Fastest time of the day. Fastest time of the day. Driver's time remaining 2 minutes. Personal best. Drivers, get ready for the next race 1-8 electric rugby final, race number 7. Fastest time of the day. Personal best. Personal best. Personal best. Fastest time of the day. Fastest time of the day. Around positions, first, and in, 17 laps, 20 seconds, second, Darren racing, 16 laps, 4 seconds, third, J-Bay 4x4, 16 laps, 13 seconds, personal best, fastest time of the day, personal best, personal best, personal best, fastest time of the day, fastest time of the day. Driver's time remaining 1 minute. Fastest time of day. Personal best. Personal best. Personal best. Fastest time of day. Fastest time of day. Fastest time of day. Personal best. Personal best. Personal best. Fastest time of day. Fastest time of day. Fastest time of day. Race time over. Finish. Gary. Finish. Darren. Finish. Racing. Finish. Randy. Finish. Go Baka. J-Bay 4x4. Big Sexy. Finish. And the end. All drivers finished. Thank you, marshals. Good positions for the next race 1-8 incorrect transponder. Electric rugby final, race number 7. Incorrect transponder. Corey. Robert Uda. Jonathan. Big Sexy. Phil. John. Results of this race. Incorrect transponder. 4x incorrect transponder. For short course 1, group day. First, Henry in, 17 laps, 7 minutes 24.930 seconds.